Hey everyone, it's me, Lolade. If you are new to my channel, what's up? How is your day? How is it going? Today I'm coming to you guys with a requested video about my natural hair. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my 3-strand twist. I'm also gonna be showing you 3 styles as well, so it's like a 2-in-1 kind of deal that I'm gonna give to y'all today. Before we get started, I want you guys to really understand the reason why I love doing 3-strand twists. The first reason is because you get the stretch that you would with the braid out, and you also get the same curl pattern as you would with the 2-strand twist. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first product that I'm going to use is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. I'm actually going to get a bit of that for the whole back section of my hair. Don't sleep on Cantu. Don't sleep. Because I've been using Shea Moisture for a long time, and for some reason I just feel like Shea Moisture is just not doing it for me anymore. So then I was like, okay, let me try this. Let me try this Cantu one more time. When I tell you my hair just, you'll see. Let me get some more, because you know this stuff is pretty good. Now I go ahead and split my hair into 3 as if you're doing a braid out. And instead of going crisscross, you're just gonna move in one direction. Have you ever seen that long pole and they have the ribbons go all around, everyone go in one direction? That's what I think about when I'm doing a 3-strand twist. So I have my 3 sections, right? Basically, they're all moving in one direction. In one direction. I'm not that great at explaining, but do my best. Make sure that you do the twist really tight. Once you get towards the end, I take more product, put it at the ends. And for this part is really important. When people see your hair, they mostly see the ends of your hair. So what I do is first I twist, and then I create a knot around that twist. That's really important. Just like that. Just like that, y'all. Try to make them as even as possible. Like what I said before, it's going in one direction. Once you get towards the end, then curl, then knot. That's one twist. So let's go ahead and do this last section. So then I separate it into 3. Then I start twisting.
Chance. You find yourself trying to do my dance, maybe cause you love me. You do well. So then we tried. And it's all now because you weren't used to have hands. We touched. Then we locked eyes. I knew I wasn't there, and I was gonna tear your ass up. Yeah. I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind if I'm showing off.
While I'm taking it down, I'm gonna twist it around my finger in the same direction that I twisted the twist to eliminate as much frizz as possible. And I like putting a drop of oil for each twist. And you do want to separate the twist where it naturally wants to separate. It just makes life easier. And y'all can see how much stretch I get from a 3-strand rather than a 2-strand twist. So I'm just giving it to y'all. And you want to really take your time with separating, because you don't want to put all that hard work to waste. Y'all saw how my hair was looking before. Like, look at this. And I only use one product. Come on. Look at these curls, yo. Look at these curls. Oh my God. What? This is so beautiful. And like, y'all see how I knot at the ends and they give a nice curl? Yo, this is mad cute. Is this my hair? Is this mine? Yes, it's mine. Now with the front, you gotta be hella like cautious because you don't want the front to look bad. You do not. Yo, this is so pretty. It's so soft, fluffy. I don't even want to touch it. So I could not find my pick, but I do have a wide tooth comb and I will be using that. All right, this is look 1. No, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that to y'all.
Turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Alright guys, that's everything that I have for you today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.